cyclicity, which is just the identifying the repeating pattern in the unit digit of the n to the power k, where k tends to show a repetition of in the unit digit after a certain pattern. Okay, so first thing you have to see if the base, you have to know the cyclicity of a number. Now 0 to the power anything would give us 0, 1 to the power anything would give us 0, but for 2 it starts repeating after a 4, 4k. Okay, so when 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 6 is uh, 2 to the power 4 is 16, and 2 to the power 5 is 32, which has a unit digit of 2. So we can observe that it repeats, and you can check it further. Now for 3 as well, it is a 4 cyclicity. For 4, it is a 2 cyclicity. For 5, it is 5. For in fact 5 raised to any power greater than 2 will have both the units and tens digit equal to 25 anywhere. Okay. Now 6 has a cyclicity of 6, 7 has another cyclicity of 4 times. Okay. 8 again has 4 times, 9 has again 2 times. And now let's move on to the next part, which is doing the questions. This topic requires nothing. Now you can just read the steps first, and let's go to the questions now. Okay, so let's take an example now. So we first, if the number has a cyclicity of 4, we have to divide the power by 4, and if the remainder is 1, we write the number itself. Okay, the number itself. The units is it in the square of the number if the remainder is 2. Units is it in the cube of the number if the remainder is 3. Now when we divide the 4, if the power is a multiple of 4, and when divided by 4 it will only give a remainder of 0, so the number would be the fourth power units digit or cyclicity of 4. Okay, now let's do 2 to the power 1 is 2. Okay, but 2 to the power 5 is also 2, because when 5 is divided by 4 we get a remainder of 1, so again 2. So I will give you a few questions and we will. Okay, so do these questions, I mean, find the remainder, find the units digit and tell me in the comments. Okay, that's it for today. We'll continue the next part again.